The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, I want to talk to you about the risk of drinking alcohol. I want to point out the health risk and the dangers of drinking alcohol. And when I say alcohol, I'm talking about alcohol like rum or alcohol beverages like beer and so on, isn't it? Now I have 3 videos that I'm going to present to you, and these 3 videos, they are out on social media. And you know, even though these videos are out on social media where some persons on social media find these videos to be funny, in my point of view, what had happened in these videos, I do not think they are funny at all. You understand? Now these videos are going to show persons who are considered to be drunk because of drinking alcohol or drinking too much alcohol. I'm using these videos as examples as to what happened when persons drink alcohol or drink too much alcohol. And by presenting these videos to you, I hope you get somewhat of an understanding as to how alcohol affects the brain when you drink alcohol or drink too much alcohol. Alright? Now I'm going to present one of these videos to you, and then I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the dangers and health risk of drinking alcohol. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
What I want is life. Alright, you post this time. You post this time. Sorry, go post it. What are you got Rasta? Rasta, yeah, good on you, Rasta. Rasta, back here. Yeah, I'm back here. Rasta. Get your money. Guys, it's only one man. Come on. Knock it in a row. Rasta power, Yago. Oh, God. Rasta Gandom. Rasta you knock it too much, Rasta. Oh, Rasta say, man, knock it in on me and knock it in. Yeah, man. The general of you hold him up, you see me? Next Rasta friend, you see it? Yeah. Next Rasta friend. Put it. Drink water. Rasta, mommy, Rasta. The blood slide. Catch that. Catch that. Rasta, you're funny. Yo, Rasta, God. Rasta, Babylon.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. One of the 3 videos that I'm presenting to you, and these videos shows persons who are considered to be drunk because of drinking alcohol or drinking too much alcohol. Alright? Now, as I look at the video that I just presented to you, it gave me the understanding that the person in the video drank too much alcohol. Alright? Or you can also say he drank alcohol. You see? Now, a lot of times I hear persons talk about drinking alcohol as if it is something like a sport. You know, they talk about how much alcohol they can drink and all these things. You see? I hear persons talk about drinking a whole lot of alcohol and saying, hey, I can drink this amount of alcohol, I can put 1 to the head and so forth. I would like to point it out that these kind of drinking is highly dangerous. Highly dangerous. By drinking too much alcohol, you can get alcohol poisoning. By drinking alcohol, you still might get alcohol poisoning. See me? Drinking alcohol comes with a lot of health risk, like heart disease, damage to your liver, mouth cancer, breast cancer. It affects your brain. It affects the way how you think. It can give you high blood pressure. And there's more health risk to drinking alcohol than I just explained to you a while ago. You know? But I think it is important for me to do a video like this to let you, my viewers and subscribers, know how dangerous drinking alcohol or drinking too much alcohol can be. Now, I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, as an example again, to let you see how some persons might act after drinking alcohol or drinking too much alcohol. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Oh my.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You know, one more of the videos that is out on social media, and this video is out on social media where comments had been made about this video that gave me the understanding that some persons on social media find what had happened in this video to be funny. Some persons on social media do not find what had happened in this video to be funny. I do not think what had happened in this video to be funny. Is it? I'm going to ask you this question. Now, what you had seen in this video, do you find it funny or not? Let me know what you think. See? Now, throughout my lifetime, I saw where persons got drunk and persons who are around the person who was drunk laughed. And when I say persons laughed, I mean persons laughed at the person who is considered to be drunk. See me? I saw where persons got drunk to the point where they do something that is considered to be regurgitating, or you could say vomit. You see? Drinking alcohol can damage your digestive system. Drinking too much alcohol can damage your digestive system. You see? Now, I know that some persons drink socially, and you have some persons who drink as often as they can or as often as they want to. You see? Sometimes you might hear persons on social media or on the television say, drink responsibly. And there are reasons for that. You see? Do not drink and drive. Do not drink and operate heavy machinery. Do not drink when you're at your workplace. Drink responsibly. You see? Drinking not only can put you and your health at risk, but it can put others at risk as well. You understand? Drinking can put you and others in danger. So drink responsibly. Now, I'm going to leave the final video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and I hope that this entire video was somewhat informative. You can let me know what you think about the 3 videos that I presented to you in this video, alright? You can let me know if you think these videos are funny or not. Alright? You can also let me know what you think overall about these videos as well. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla, uno big up on yourself. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
See what the rum, see what the rum, see how rum are the man walking. Malcolm, let him go, Lyle. Let him go. Papa, but see how rum, Bernie, man. Papa, but Bernie. Papa, what? Hold it. Papa.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?